Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best La Roche-Posay is probably one of the most talked about skincare brands, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into their product lineup to find out which ones are truly worth your money. We'll explore the science behind their formulas, the ingredients that make them stand out, and, of course, whether they live up to the hype. So, if you're ready to achieve your best skin yet, stick around. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is the Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. It's a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types, providing immediate comfort and long-lasting hydration. It's also fragrance-free. The formula includes ceramides and niacinamide. These ingredients work together to repair and restore the skin's natural barrier. This helps to keep your skin healthy and protected. Experience instant relief with this moisturizer. It provides immediate comfort and hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. You'll notice a difference right away. For optimal results, use it daily as part of your skincare routine. Apply it to your face and neck after cleansing. It's a simple step for healthier skin. This moisturizer is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It's gentle yet effective, providing the hydration your skin needs without any added irritants. It's a great choice for daily use. What we like? This moisturizer is packed with ceramides and niacinamide, working together to repair and hydrate your skin. It provides long-lasting hydration, keeping your skin comfortable all day. If you have dry or sensitive skin that needs a boost of hydration and barrier repair, you should consider this. What people say. The product effectively reduced the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The texture of the product is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. The product is fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Foaming Facial Cleanser. Introducing a gentle cleanser designed specifically for sensitive skin. This product effectively removes impurities without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. It leaves your face feeling clean and refreshed. This oil-free face wash is perfect for both women and men. It helps to control excess oil, leaving your skin feeling balanced and comfortable. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. The formula includes niacinamide and ceramides, which are known for their skin-soothing and barrier-strengthening properties. These ingredients work together to calm and protect your skin. It helps to maintain a healthy complexion. This cleanser helps to purify your pores, removing dirt and debris. It promotes a clearer complexion and helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Use it regularly for best results. Unlike harsh soaps, this cleanser is soap-free and won't dry out your skin. It maintains your skin's natural moisture balance, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It's suitable for daily use. What we like? This cleanser effectively purifies your skin with its foaming action, removing impurities without stripping away essential moisture. Its oil-free formula is gentle yet effective, making it safe for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a gentle cleanser that won't dry out your skin and is suitable for sensitive skin, you should consider this. What people say. It lathers up really well and one pump is honestly enough to hit the entire face and neck. It cleans without leaving a feeling of dryness or tightness, and it did not cause me burning or outbreaks. It foams up nicely, doesn't sting your eyes, is fragrance-free, and leaves your skin moisturized and clean, and not dry at all. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum. This serum is designed for your face, featuring vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, and madecassoside. It's a hydrating serum that visibly plumps your skin, making it look and feel refreshed. The formula is specifically created to provide intense hydration. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. This serum is gentle enough for sensitive skin. It's designed to soothe and hydrate without causing irritation, so you can use it with confidence. With its anti-aging properties, it helps to combat the signs of aging. Regular use can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of imperfections. The serum has an oil-free formula, making it suitable for various skin types. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, providing a comfortable feel. What we like? This serum is formulated with hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and madecassoside, providing intense hydration and anti-aging benefits. It visibly plumps the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you like a serum that targets aging concerns and provides a youthful glow, you should consider this. What people say. This hyaluronic acid serum is incredible. It absorbs fast and makes my skin feel hydrated right away without being sticky or heavy. After using it consistently, my skin feels smoother, looks more refreshed, and stays moisturized throughout the day. The formula is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and leaves my skin feeling instantly hydrated and plump. I've noticed a visible improvement in smoothness and elasticity after using it consistently. It's gentle enough for my sensitive skin, no irritation, redness, or breakouts at all. This HA penetrates into your skin and actually does its job plumping and moisturizing. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk SPF 60. This is a broad-spectrum sunscreen designed for both your body and face. It offers SPF 60 protection, shielding you from harmful UV rays. It's a great choice for daily use. The formula includes antioxidants to help protect your skin. It's oil-free and lightweight, so it absorbs quickly without feeling heavy. This helps keep your skin healthy. This sunscreen is designed to be fast-absorbing. You won't have to wait long before you can enjoy the sun. It's also oxybenzone-free, making it a safe choice. The sunscreen is easy to apply and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's perfect for everyday wear, providing reliable sun protection. It's a great product for the whole family. This product is suitable for both your face and body. It's a convenient way to protect yourself from the sun. Make it a part of your daily routine. What we like. This sunscreen offers broad-spectrum SPF 60 protection, shielding your skin from harmful UV rays. Its lightweight and fast-absorbing formula makes it comfortable for daily use. If you are looking for a high-protection sunscreen that won't feel heavy on your skin, you should consider this. What people say. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and provides excellent protection without irritating my sensitive skin. The texture is smooth and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It doesn't leave a white cast, which is a huge plus for my medium skin tone. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Anthelios OX Daily Serum. This innovative serum from La Roche-Posay combines daily antioxidant protection with SPF. It's designed to shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays while providing essential moisture. The serum is enriched with vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants that help to protect the skin from environmental damage. This helps to keep the skin looking healthy and radiant. This oil-free formula is perfect for sensitive skin. It provides lightweight, moisturizing sun protection without clogging pores or causing irritation. Use daily to keep your skin moisturized and protected from the sun. It's a great addition to your skincare routine, ensuring your skin stays healthy and protected. This product is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. It is gentle yet effective, providing the protection and care your skin needs. What we like. This product combines the benefits of a daily antioxidant serum with SPF protection, offering comprehensive defense against environmental aggressors. It is enriched with vitamin C and E, providing additional antioxidant benefits. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer with sun protection and antioxidant benefits, you should consider this. What people say. This product is amazing for sensitive skin. It effectively calms redness and irritation. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.